Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to hide the header section in Hostinger Website Builder. This is one of my websites created using Hostinger Website Builder. As you can see, this is the header section. Hiding this header section from this contact page is simple. All you need to do is to go first to your website, Hostinger Website Builder, then click on Website Settings and click on Integrations. Then copy this this simple code, but before copying it, enter here or edit your page's slug. For example, my contact page slug is just contact. To get your exact page slug, all you need to do is to go to your pages and navigation, look for the page where you want to hide the header section. Let's say this checklist page, for example. Click on this little circle and click page URL. And this is your page exact slug. Just you copy it and use it. In my case, I will put contact and don't make the mistake of deleting this backslash or slash. Now copy the code, go to website settings, integrations, under custom code, paste it just like that. Click on save changes. As you can see, my changes are saved. And don't forget to update your website. Now that my changes are published online, let's refresh this contact page. And as you can see, the header section is no more showing in the contact page. And if you want to hide the header section from multiple pages, just keep adding this piece of text or this sentence. Copy it first and add it after your first page, just like that. And don't forget to edit your page slug. For example, I want to delete. For example, I want to hide the header section also from this checklist page. This is the page slug. Edit it here. Copy the code. Go back to website settings, then integrations. Delete the first code and paste it here. Click on save changes. As you can see, my changes are saving. And update website. Now that your changes are published, let's refresh this page. And as you can see, the header section is also hidden from in the checklist page. And this is how to hide the header section in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.